What's up guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Pinterest account. So let's get on with it. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and type in Pinterest. Now you guys have to click on the first thing that pops up. Alright, now we're gonna click on sign up. Good, they're gonna need your email address. After you filled it in, you need to create a password. Okay, now they're gonna ask you for your age. Make sure you fill that in and click continue. And you're good to go. Click on next. Okay, they're gonna need your gender. I'm a male, so I'm gonna put that in. This is good. They need your language and your country. Click next after you choose that. And you need to pick your interests. Let's just put soccer, Marvel, design, whatever. And you need to pick 5, I guess. Done. And you're good to go. Now you can search for whatever you need. That's pretty much it. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.